This 2025 Grech RV Strada TOUR-ION is a Class B RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grech RV is 24 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 2, refrigerator, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, awning, water heater, LP detector, smoke detector, air conditioning, TV antenna, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2025 Grech RV Strada TOUR-ION is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 170 inches X chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.